Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things beauty and skincare. Today, we're diving into the Image MD Restoring Eye Masks, a standout product in the world of premium skincare. If you've been struggling with tired, puffy eyes and fine lines, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. The Image MD Restoring Eye Masks are designed to give your eyes a refreshed, rejuvenated look with the power of cooling hydrogel technology. These eye masks are more than just a quick fix. They are infused with a blend of powerhouse ingredients, including caffeine, aloe vera, and triple hyaluronic acid, which work together to hydrate, firm, and smooth the delicate skin around your eyes. The cooling hydrogel material ensures that the masks stay in place, allowing you to relax without worrying about slippage. The design of the masks is also clear and flexible, providing a comfortable fit and making them easy to apply. The benefits of these eye masks go beyond simple hydration. With consistent use, you'll start to notice visible improvements in the appearance of fine lines and puffiness. Whether you're using them for a quick pick-me-up during the day or as part of your nightly skincare routine, these masks help reduce the signs of fatigue, leaving you with a more rested and youthful appearance. Using the Image MD Restoring Eye Masks is simple. After cleansing your face, just apply the masks to the under-eye area for 10 to 15 minutes. The wider end should go towards the outer corner of your eyes, and once you're done, simply discard them. It's that easy to give your eyes the care they deserve. These masks are perfect for anyone looking to combat the visible signs of aging or simply improve the look of tired, stressed eyes. Plus, they are free of parabens, pH phthalates, and mineral oils, making them a great choice for those who prefer clean, clinical skincare. In addition to the great results, the Image MD Restoring Eye Masks come in a convenient 22-count package, offering great value for those who use them regularly. Whether you're preparing for a busy day ahead or winding down at night, these eye masks will help you look and feel more refreshed. So, if you're ready to give your eyes the luxury treatment they deserve, the Image MD Restoring Eye Masks might just be what you need. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and beauty tips. See you in the next video.